I want to buy your business. Oh, doesn't that sound super exciting? It's actually a scam alert. I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, this is not a question, but I need you to know this. So if you are a house cleaner, please listen up because this one is for you. There is a scam that's going around right now in the cleaning industry, and they're targeting either really successful cleaning companies or companies that are kind of struggling, where the business owner is a little bit frustrated and probably wants to get out of the business. You're going to get a text or an email that says something like, hey, I'm a brokerage firm and I represent acquisitions and mergers, and we have a company or a group of companies that's interested in buying your cleaning business. Can we set up a call? That sounds like a legitimate offer. And if you are a really successful cleaning business owner, you're probably not looking to sell your business. If you are a struggling business owner, you might be thinking, I could get out of the business, I could sell my existing business, and I could make a profit. Let me take this call, right? So the inspiration is for you to get on a call with this particular person that's reaching out to you. Once you get on the call, what happens next is they introduce themselves and they paint this really lavish picture. Now, if you are a successful business owner and you're like, hey, I'm not thinking at all about selling, what they're going to say is, maybe not today, but in the next year or two, you might consider. Here's the reason why. Companies want to buy other companies when they're in growth mode and they're doing very well. And right now, your company meets that profile, okay? All of those things so far are true. But the catch is this. They tell you little bits of truth so that they can lure you in. It's like them fishing and you've bit, and now they're just reeling you in slowly, okay? Then what happens is you have this conversation, everything makes sense so far, and they say, hey, listen, in order to keep this legit, to keep everything by the books, I'm going to transfer you to my superior so that they can have a conversation with you and set up a Zoom call. Would that be okay? And you're like, legit? Yes, I'm all for legit. That sounds good, right? Again, truths to reel you in. Then they put you on the phone with someone else, and the someone else says, hey, listen, I'm the senior broker at this firm, and we are super excited about what we've seen online about your business. And they say, what I need in order to present this to my group of investors is I need your portfolio. Now, if you are not thinking about selling and you have not reached out to this company, please beware, okay? Most house cleaning companies do not have a portfolio ready to hand them, and they're counting on this. So they say, don't worry about putting it together. You're a busy business owner. I'm the broker. I do all the work. If you'll just put me in touch with your banker and I can have this conversation, and he can give me the details I need in order to put together a portfolio for you in order to present to my investors. And you say, well, I don't have to do the work. How great is that, right? The words we want to hear as a business owner that someone else is going to take the work off of our hands. He says, listen, while I've got you on the phone, let's do a three-way with your banker right now. And you can just authorize me to have the conversation with your banker. And you say, okay, no worries. And then you look up your Wells Fargo or your Bank of America or whatever bank that you bank with. You get your banker on the phone and you give your authorization to this third party whom you've never met, and you're giving him 100% access to your bank account, okay? Let's stop right there. In what universe would you ever do that? The answer is, I wouldn't, right? It's a scam. Do not do this. Do not grant anyone access to your bank account unless they are part of your business or they are your beneficiary on your life insurance policy or something, right? That is the only person you want to have access to your business bank account. So if someone says, I'm here to help you out, they're here to help themselves out, okay? They called you. This is all about them calling you. They're the ones outreaching to you. They don't have investors and they're not going to buy your business. Now, I do want to stop for a second and add a disclaimer and an apology. If you are a legitimate business brokerage firm, I hate it for you, and I'm really sorry we're having this conversation because your job as a legitimate company just got harder because of this scam. But if you're a house cleaning company or if you're an Airbnb host and you happen to watch this channel, please stop and realize this. Bad news, no one wants to buy your company, okay? If they do, they'll go through proper channels, and it's probably because you, check this out, have a business portfolio and you're wanting to sell and you reached out to someone else. If you're the one that does the outreach, great job, do your research, find a legitimate company to work with. But if they contact you, Please be aware this is a scam. Okay, good. Now we've had that conversation. Now, if you want to check out some other scams that there are going on in the house cleaning industry, I really want to protect you from losing everything you've created. Got a couple more videos right up here. Check out this playlist, and until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.